In this video, I will guide you through how you can connect your hosting domain to Replit AI. So now this is very simple, you just have to follow my steps and you will learn how you can do it. So firstly, I will open my app for which I want to connect the custom domain. And right now, if you are in the preview like this, you want to open this publishing. If you don't see this publishing window over here, you just want to search for it like this, publishing, and then you can open it. Before adding the custom domain, you want to make sure that your app is public. So you want to click on publish in top right corner and you want to publish your app. So you will see status, it's live. So I published it 6 hours ago. And once you have your app published, we can move to domains. Over here, it's next to resources and manage. From here, you can see your default domain from Replit. And to add new domain or custom domain, you want to click on connect your own domain. You can also buy domain from here, but we are connecting hosting your domain, so obviously we have domain. And then here where it says example.com, you want to paste your domain from Hostinger. So I will open Hostinger, and in the domains on the left side, you want to go to domains portfolio and you want to choose your domain which you want to connect. So I have only this domain, so I'm going to copy this domain and I'm going to paste it here. Then you can click next. And now we just need to update our DNS records in Hostinger. Replit gives us those two records. So the first one is a record. This is the name and this is the value. And we just need to basically copy and paste them in the Hostinger. So I'm going to copy first value and I will open manage next to my domain, then DNS/name servers. And firstly, I would like to mention that you want to remove existing A or C name record or TXT record if you have, because it can conflict the records you are going to add and then it might not work. So I'm going to firstly delete existing records, what I have. And then we can add our first record. So first one is A, name is this symbol, and the value is this value. So I'm going to paste the value here where it says points to, click on add record. First record is successful. Now we can move to second one, and the second one is txt, so type is txt, name is the same, and this is the value. So I'm going to copy the value. I'm going to choose type txt, this symbol, and paste the value here. Then click add record. And now once we have both records added, we can move to Replit and we can click on link. And now we just need to wait for the Replit to verify your records. This can take up to 48 hours, but in most cases this is done within 1 hour. So you can click on manage next to it and you will see, as you can see, as I said, this can be really fast and DNS records are checked already. Everything update is also done and we are just waiting for SSL certificate, so it will make our site secured. And once this is done, you can open your domain and your site of the Replit should be on this domain. Once the verification is done, you should see it is verified. And if I try to open it, it should be working. And as you can see, so this is how you can add custom domain or hosting a domain in Replit. So I will try if the site works. So let's say I will convert $500 to euros. And this is it. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.